everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to look like a snack. Yes girl, you're gonna be looking poppin'. So yes, I am starting off with my NYX illuminator and going straight into it with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. And now we're jumping straight into our concealer. I'm using this in the color Fawn. Just applying that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin. You guys already know the drill. And this is a very simple look. This is an everyday, beginner friendly makeup look. Nothing too hard. I only ended up using one eyeshadow. You guys will see towards the end. But now I'm just taking my Black Opal. It's a foundation stick, but I use it as a contouring stick. I'm using my Revolution Banana Powder, my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, my BH Cosmetic Bronze and Contouring Palette, and I'm just, warming my face up a little bit. But yes, like I said, this is very simple. You're gonna end up looking like a snack on a sunny day. And now I'm just taking my Laura Geller highlight, and I'm gonna just be applying this all over my face because I just want to shine bright like a diamond. So I'm just taking that, applying it. I literally apply this all over my face. I apply some on my forehead, my nose, my chin. You're gonna have to wear your sunglasses when you look at me because this highlight is gonna blind you, girl. But yes, I just wanted this look to mainly be, simple, everyday, and it turned into a nice dewy look, obviously because of the highlight and also the NYX illuminator. Ladies, if you haven't tried that illuminator, you should definitely give it a try. At first when I got it, I wasn't wearing it as much, but now that I have it, I wear that all the time before I apply my foundation. And as you can see, I took my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just using this one eyeshadow just to give me a little bit of color on my eyes. It doesn't really seem like much on camera, but in person you could definitely see the eyeshadow. I apply my lashes. Lashes are optional. And I took my NYX lip liner, and now I'm just taking my Dior lip gloss and just applying it all over. I absolutely love this lip gloss. I'm gonna see if I get the other colors as well. But yes, this is the look. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and bam, look at that, looking like a whole meal. Yes girl. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.